So, hello guys. I am going to teach you how to fix your buzzing sound on your earphones or microphones during while you're streaming or recording. It's you can use your OBS settings for that but for the best one is you're going to your this speaker icon and you're going to the sounds. While you're on the sounds, you're going to click recording and see this mic, you got some signals on it. That means that this is the mic that you're using. You're going to click that and show properties. If you don't have any this enhancement and levels, this kind of buttons in here, you're going to this is the settings that I am fine with because this is the level that which is good for this kind of microphone because I am just using a cheap headphones that I bought from our local store here from our city. If you don't have this enhancement, I am using the noise suppression right now, and being it's kind of good because I can hear the buzzing a little bit. Maybe it's kind of big. So go to your Chrome and you're going to search Realtek drivers. While you're at, click the first link, scroll down. You're gonna need the 64-bit bits Vista because everybody uses 64-bit right now, and you're going to download that. Once you download that, you're going to install it, and after you install it, you're going to restart your PC to take effect on it. So after that, you can have your enhancement and you can tweak the volumes and levels in here into your own adjustment, and you can just record to test your volumes and such. So that's it, guys. This that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.